Hi guys, welcome to DIY with Leny. Today I'm going to show you on how to make a magnolia wreath for spring. Okay guys, this is my wreath base. I did make this a couple weeks ago. This one was very easy to make. I didn't use any jute string or cutting it with a saw or measuring it 2 inches, for a notch. I just simply cut it with the clipper and then I looped it. So please don't forget to click that video so that you can watch it and learn how to make the wreath base. Okay guys, these are the flowers. I'm going to show you how to clip them by section. We're basically going to use all the top part and then get rid of the stem. Also, you're going to need a wire clipper just like this, and also the hot glue gun with a high temperature. That's all you need for the tools. Okay, so let's start clipping. So first thing first, what I do is I'm gonna cut the flowers first, probably 2 inches, just like that. And this is really easy to cut. You just bend it and it actually kind of snap it. And then right next to the bottom stem, like that. Okay. Put that aside. Right here, just like that. And then we're gonna use this part up here. So we're gonna clip right here. Just like that. So you're gonna have the buds and then the flower, and for this long stem we're gonna cut it probably like 2 inches again. If it doesn't cut it right away, just kind of bend it back and forth, and then you're just gonna clip the extras just like that. Another one. And there you go. We have 4 sections of the stems. Okay guys, I separated everything in sections. All the leaves together, the flowers, the buds. That way it's easier just to grab them while doing it and then put it in place in the wreath base. Before you start gluing everything, make sure to check it out. Decide which side you're gonna put the flowers on. And if it's not perfectly circle like mine, then maybe you could figure it out where to put the flowers and the greenery so that it covers it up, and when it's done it looks a little bit circle than the actual shape is. Okay, so I decided to use a small bud on the top, just like that. And it's going to be the same, even on both sides. And then in the middle, it's going to be the flower. 5 flowers. And it's always the rule of thumb for decorating or designing is that make sure it's an even number. So in this case, we're going to use 5 flowers, but in between we're going to put some leaves so that it breaks that white color. Okay, so I bend it like that. That way it faces where I wanted it to go. With the leaves, you could always turn it later when you're done gluing it. You could play around with it later. So this is going to face this way, just like the other one. Hold it for 10 seconds or however long until it stays the glue or the stem. Give it a generous amount of glue so that it stays. So this one is going to go on this side, facing out. Okay guys, for the leaves, the ones that has two like this, you can cut it again one step like that if you want to put it underneath the flower. Just gonna cut it like this. That side. Okay. So you do in and out, in and out. You just repeat the pattern. So after you have the little buds, you use the bigger buds, and then the flower, and then the leaves. With the leaves, you can cut it and then glue it underneath the flower, just like this one. Okay. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I hope it inspired you how to make this wreath. It's very simple and easy, and also it's so beautiful. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye.